Hi, it's Kevin and John with storeWALL, and we want to talk to you today about our new storeWALL vacuum system. This is a little different than the built-in systems that you sometimes see in custom homes, in that this one has been specifically designed and engineered to be compatible with our slat wall system, which means you can position this vacuum system anywhere on the slat wall of your choosing, any one of the walls, any height, or anywhere where you think it works best for you and your family. You don't even have to put it where you have an outlet, because this comes with its own outlet. So versatility is a big part of what you're getting here, folks. Secondly, it comes with all of these various attachments which are ideal for cleaning any area of your vehicle or other areas of your garage, even in between the car seats. It's going to keep your vehicle immaculate. It's a small, compact system, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't pack a punch. It does. It's got 220 volts of suction power, and that's a lot. This will take care of any job that you need in the garage. And then best of all, once you've got this on your wall, it doesn't really matter where your vehicle is, because this hose it's an 8-foot hose, but it expands to 35 feet, which will cover any area of your garage. And then when you're done, it'll contract back to its original state of its 8-foot. Now John's going to show you how all this works and then put it to use for you.
As you can see, the hose will extend the entire length of any garage, no problem. And then pack a punch, clean up, and even heavy fasteners, no problem at all. Then you bring it back, quick and easy, it can be used in any garage.
This is a great product, folks, a great vacuum system. You'll find it at storewall.com.